Hi everyone. Welcome to the FIRST Robotics Competition Greater San Diego Awards Show, part of the first Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season. My name is George Chen. I'm a FIRST alumni and a volunteer of 20 years, and I'll be your host for this important celebration. I want to kick things off by congratulating all of you for competing in such a challenging season. The late Professor Dr. Randy Pouch once said, "Engineering isn't about finding perfect solutions. It's about doing the best you can with limited resources." And certainly this past year has been a testament to that challenge. But I'm proud to say that FIRST Robotics has really done its part, especially here in the San Diego region. From the start of the pandemic, where FIRST teams participated in COVID response by building and creating personal protective equipment to share to hospitals, to technology drives to help students get connected to their classrooms when they couldn't be physically present, to the team-led workshop series that were hosted all throughout the year by various teams up and down the state to help their fellow classmates still continue to learn throughout this very challenging season. And these collective efforts are paying off. You see vaccine distribution increasing in California, and the state is well on its way to reopening thanks to incredible advances in science and technology, as well as the concerted effort by all of us working together. I want to again congratulate all of you on your hard work throughout this challenging and unique FIRST Robotics season. This show is the regional celebration for the award winners of the Greater San Diego region, regardless of which challenge group your team competed in. So, to kick things off, let's hear from FIRST Robotics Competition Director, Frank Merrick.
Hello, FIRST Robotics Competition teams. My name is Frank Merrick. I'm the Director of FRC, and welcome to your awards show. What a crazy season 2021 was, and I, for one, am, fingers crossed, hoping we can get together again in person for official events in 2022. But in the meantime, congratulations to all the award winners and everyone who participated this year. Have a great show.
Thank you, Frank. And now, here to recognize the first supporters for the first Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season is Blair Hundermark from FIRST Headquarters.
Every year, FIRST and you benefit from the support of hundreds of generous sponsors, suppliers, scholarship providers, and alliances. We deeply appreciate their commitment and dedication and are especially grateful during this challenging season. A big thanks to everyone who makes FIRST, FIRST.
Hello, FIRST Robotics Competition teams from San Diego and Imperial counties. It has been so impressive and inspirational to see how you all have adapted and shifted with us in this unique season. You all have continued to collaborate and innovate to create amazing solutions, and it is a true testament to you and our incredible FIRST community. Another group that has adapted with us this year and continues to be amazingly supportive is our wonderful sponsors, Qualcomm and Viasat. We certainly could not provide the fabulous programs we do without them. And now it is my pleasure to introduce Natalie Ducey, Corporate Responsibility Manager from our presenting sponsor, Qualcomm.
Hey, FIRST teams, Natalie Ducey here with Qualcomm. Just wanted to say hi and congratulate all the teams on a job well done this season. Obviously, this year was unlike any other, and it came with a lot of challenges and some setbacks, but I'm proud to see a lot of the teams returning and participating in some of the virtual challenges like the Innovation Challenge. Qualcomm's really proud to be continuing our support of FIRST this season, so congratulations. We look forward to seeing everybody in person again, hopefully next year, and good luck to all the teams.
Qualcomm for Good believes in the power of technology. Our STEM initiatives inspire the next generation of inventors who will someday answer questions that haven't yet been asked. The Qualcomm Think a Bit Lab inspires students to imagine future careers in STEM by designing an invention that solves real-world problems. Our ongoing collaborations with STEM organizations such as FIRST provides hands-on experience to students across the world. For decades, Qualcomm has enabled people, transformed industries, and enriched lives. Now we're building on that legacy, helping to tackle global challenges, inspire tomorrow's workforce, and make a difference for decades to come.
Thank you, Natalie, and thank you, Qualcomm, for continuing the amazing support and partnership with FIRST, not just here in San Diego, but worldwide. And now, let's check out a video from another one of our wonderful sponsors, Viasat. Companies like Qualcomm, Viasat, and many others are interested in hiring FIRST students and alumni as interns and employees. So be sure to share your FIRST experience on your resume and in interviews. To find out more, check out firstinspires.org/alumni.
This season, the FIRST Robotics Competition featured 3 different challenges that teams could participate in remotely. Our first group of awards are for the Game Design Challenge. Our first award is the Rookie Design Award. There were no winners for this award in San Diego, so we'll move on to the next award, the Creativity Award, sponsored by Rockwell Automation. Before we announce the winner, here's a word from longtime FIRST sponsor, Rockwell Automation.
Hi, I'm Javion Mosley, FIRST alum and current mentor and now engineering intern at Rock Automation. I'm working on 3D modelings, metal fabrication, as well as managing various die-cast operations. Congratulations on all your accomplishments during this unique season. I'd like to give a shout out to the Creativity Award winners who exemplify the spirit of FIRST programs using science and technology, but using critical thinking and problem-solving skills for the win.
The Creativity Award, sponsored by Rockwell Automation, celebrates creativity that enhances the overall game design concept. Here's what the judges had to say. This team from the sunny coast created a highly unique game design with never-before-seen elements. Their game's creativity shined brightly when you looked at it from the right angle. They energized us by absorbing the light from the bright San Diego sun. Congratulations to Argonne Group, Team 5477, Newbot X from San Diego. Our next award is the Engineering Design Award. This award celebrates the team that demonstrates sound engineering in the design process. We will present 3 of these awards. Here's what the judges had to say about the first recipient. This team really thought practically, especially when their state has a fault line. This game is completely random and scattered, so the robots have to be ready for anything. So when you design your bot for this game, make sure it's built like a Titan. Our first Engineering Design Award winner is from the Copper Group, Team 2543, TitanBot from Chula Vista. The judges said this about our next winner. All work and no play could not be farther from the truth of this party. The team applied a methodical process, focused engineering, and detailed design, proving that team names are not always logical. The result is a carnival of amusement and joy provided by this well-thought-out design. And the second Engineering Design Award winner is from the Oxygen Group, Team 2658, eMotion from San Diego, and their game, First Festival. Finally, the judges had this to say about our last winner. This team focused on engineering a game of games. From the game piece materials to the innovative defensive techniques, they showed that their design had been ironed out. The team steeled their West Coast way and truly busted the puzzle. The third Engineering Design Award winner is from the Technitum Group, Team 5025, Pacific Steel from San Diego. The next award is the Imagery Award in honor of Jack Kamen. There were no winners of this award for San Diego, so we'll move on to the next award, the Concept Award. The Concept Award celebrates a team that creates an interesting, realistic game concept. While the past year has left many feeling blue, this team took control of their destiny. Like robotic Jedi of the Sea, they checked their intuition and created an ingenious game. You can bank on seeing this team patch together creative ideas. Our first Concept Award winner is from the Sulfur Group, Team 3128, the Aluminum Narwhals from San Diego. The judges said this about our next winner. It's important to separate the treasures from the trash, and this team knew how to do it well. With an impressive grip on the intricacies of game design not even Hercules could break, this team was the unanimous choice which not even Poseidon's fury could obscure. Our second Concept Awards winner is from the Potassium Group, Team 6515, the Unimatics from Calexico, and their game, Treasure of the Lost City. Our next award is the Designers Award. This award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the game design challenge. Through the sands of time, this team came through with a robotic expedition to thrill all explorers. Their kickoff-style video, inclusion of cooperation, dynamic game elements, and consideration of robotic abilities were all key to their success. Bastet and Ra would enjoy watching the teams work together to rescue the relics and uncover the pharaohs. Congratulations to the Manganese Group, Team 4616, Team Pharaohs from San Diego. That does it for the Game Design Challenge Awards. Before we move on to the next challenge, I'd like to take this moment to remind you about the FIRST Scholarship Program. As a FIRST alumni myself, I benefited from FIRST scholarships when I made the transition from high school to undergraduate at UCSD. There are nearly 200 colleges and universities that have put up over $80 million in scholarships specifically to FIRST participants and FIRST alumni as part of the FIRST Scholarship Program. So here's your annual reminder to apply, apply, apply. Now let's take a look at the FIRST Scholarship Program video. Our next set of awards is for the Infinite Recharge at Home Challenge. The first award in this group is the Autonomous Award sponsored by Ford. There were no winners of this award for San Diego, so we'll move on to the next award, the Quality Award. The Quality Award celebrates machine robustness in concept and fabrication. Here's what the judges had to say about the first recipient. Spinning a new design to conquer the game field, this team knows how to stick it. Teamwork, paired with strategic planning and checklists, make sure the job is done right. This team's intricate web of design is quality at its finest. Our first Quality Award winner is from the Niobium Group, Team 1622, Team Spider from Poway. Here's what the judges had to say about our next winner. This team impressed the judges with their sleek and elegant construction methods, wire routing, and challenge solutions. Their capabilities inspired us all. Clearly, they are agents of beauty, grace, and form. We'll be monitoring the monitors, as we trust their future productions will be works of engineering art. Our second Quality Award winner is from the Potassium Group, Team 3021, The Agency from Escondido. The judges had this to say about our next winner. This robot was built with maintenance in mind. A focus on cable management made sure it stayed sleek and functional. Using a pinned modular system really set them amongst the stars. Our third Quality Award winner is from the Xenon Group, Team 3647, the Millennium Falcons from San Diego. Congratulations! The next award is the Industrial Design Award sponsored by GM. Before we announce the winner, let's hear from our friends at General Motors.
Congratulations, FIRST Robotics Industrial Design Award winner from General Motors.
The Industrial Design Award, sponsored by GM, celebrates the team that demonstrates industrial design principles, striking a balance between form, function, and aesthetics. Here's what the judges had to say. This team conquers every challenge put forth in front of them. From intake to turret and everything in between, it is clear that this robot is designed thoughtfully and assembled with military-grade precision. The judges salute this team's ability to continuously improve their robot and set the standard for industrial design. Our first Industrial Design Award winner is from the Manganese Group, Team 2485, Warlords from San Diego. The judges had this to say about our next winner. This wandering team is no stranger to elegant designs. Their backspin shooter put this team well ahead of the curve. This team's design is sleek and effective from their pinchers to their stinger. Our second Industrial Design Award winner is from the Titanium Group, Team 6995, Nomad from Escondido. Congratulations! Our next award is the Excellence in Engineering Award. This award celebrates the team that demonstrates a professional approach to the design process. Here's what the judges had to say. Before showing up in their black and white glory, this team does extensive planning and prototyping, with every single design decision having a story behind it. They have a well-structured engineering process with flexibility and the future in mind. Several custom-made parts, executed to high standards, resulted in a highly modular and elegant design system. Our first Excellence in Engineering Award is from the Praesiodinium Group, Team 1538, the Holy Cows from San Diego. The judges said this about our next winner. This team made the judges dizzy with all the well-thought-out features of their robot. Through effective prototyping, analysis, and detailed design reviews, they managed to design an exceptional robot. While they haven't been able to build this robot yet, they're more than ready to put their design into motion. Our second Excellence in Engineering Award is from the Flooring Group, Team 2658, E-Motion from San Diego. The judges said this about our next winner. This team showed us the power of engineering and that persistence in your prototypes leads to excellence. Professional engineering is not easy, but when your approach is to apply basic design principles, CAD, and wood structures, the end result will be a machine that's elegant in its simplicity. Kevin the Robot demonstrated how important it is to stick to the basics. Our third Excellence in Engineering Award comes from the Argonne Group, Team 4139, Easy as Pie from San Diego. The judges said this about our next winner. Having a professional design process is critical to a successful robot. This team has developed a design process that includes multiple design sessions, CAD drawings, and a shared spreadsheet. Through this process, each part of the robot was numbered, tracked, and signed off on throughout the ordering, design, manufacturing, and build steps. Whether it is the lights of the dual limelights or the running LEDs on this West Coast Drive robot, this robot has an elegant design. Our fourth Excellence in Engineering Award is from the Krypton Group, Team 4738, Patrobots from San Diego. Congratulations, all teams. The next award is the Rookie Game Changer Award. This award celebrates a rookie team's outstanding success this season. There were no winners of this award for San Diego, so we'll move on to the next award, the Skills Competition Winner Award. This award celebrates outstanding success with the skills competition. The winner of this award had the most points in their group. Congratulations to the Flooring Group winner, Team 2658, eMotion from San Diego. As you know, the FIRST Robotics Competition relies on hundreds of volunteers every year to help organize and put on the many competitions held around the world. This year, we have to especially thank our local San Diego volunteers for being so flexible in pivoting to our new reality and helping in every way that they could. Here's a quick reminder of the kind of event hopefully we'll be able to get back to next season.
Come be a volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Volunteering that we do for FRC, best time of my life. It's awesome.
At FRC events, there are more than 120 people that are committed to making a difference for everyone involved.
It's so rare to find some of your volunteering that you're so passionate about. You only find that with FIRST.
I volunteer because I genuinely love what I do, and I love to inspire kids as much as I was inspired back when I was competing.
And you make amazing friends with these other volunteers. There's networking that happens, there's on-the-job training. There's a full gamut. There's no better way to spend a weekend.
Volunteering for FIRST is an amazing experience. As an alumni of the program, I get to experience all the new teams, all the parents, all the new students, and we always have a party with everyone here.
Come join the fun.
Is there anywhere else you'd rather be than a FIRST event? Come join the fun.
Come volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Our next award is the FIRST Innovation Challenge Semifinalist Award sponsored by Qualcomm. Before we present the award, let's hear from our friends and local sponsor, Qualcomm.
Hey FIRST teams, Natalie Ducey here from Qualcomm. As this year's season presenting sponsor of the FIRST Innovation Challenge, I just want to take a moment to congratulate all of our semifinalist teams. I hope everybody that participated in the Innovation Challenge this season really got a flavor of what innovation is all about. And I'm really looking forward to seeing the projects and the real world solutions that teams came up with this year. Congratulations to everyone again, and we'll see you at GIA.
FIRST Innovation Challenge semifinalists are teams that achieve excellence by designing an innovation for this Game Changers season real-world challenge with efficient design, sound use of technology, a feasible business model, and a compelling business pitch. Advancing FIRST Robotics Competition teams will showcase their innovative solutions and vie for awards at the 2021 Global Innovation Awards powered by Star Wars Force for Change, June 28th through 30th, 2021. A remote event in front of FIRST strategic partners and a global audience of peers and industry leaders. Here's what the judges had to say about our semifinalists. This team took our current reality to a whole new level. Their solution is fittingly optical in nature. They saw an opportunity in the market to make VR technology safer in real time and made it a reality. Congratulations to the Lithium Group, Team 3749, Team Optics from San Diego.
Thanks to the generous support and wonderful partnership with Qualcomm this season, we created the Qualcomm Innovation Ambassador Team Grant. Teams selected for this grant will help us grow the Innovation Challenge and raise the bar of amazing and creative solutions coming from our FIRST teams. The Qualcomm Innovation Ambassador designation honors the teams that have committed to exploring the many facets of what it means to be an innovator and best embody the Qualcomm ethos of we dream big, we invent bigger. FIRST Robotics Competition teams in California that were selected as Innovation Challenge semifinalists were able to apply to be an Innovation Ambassador team for their region. We had a lot of amazing applications and it was a tough decision, but we are excited to announce the winning teams for the 2021 Qualcomm Innovation Ambassador Grant as Team 115 MVRT from Cupertino, Team 867 Absolute Value from Arcadia, Team 3749 Team Optics from San Diego, and last but not least, Team 5458 Digital Minds from Woodland. Congratulations to these teams and to all of our teams who participated in the Innovation Challenge this season. And now let's take a look at the winning team's video from San Diego.
Innovation mean to me? Before the Innovation Challenge, I simply couldn't tell you. But now, going through the experience, I finally understand what innovation truly is.
Innovation is about being bold.
Being bold enough to challenge the status quo.
Being bold enough to protect vulnerable individuals in our community.
Being bold enough to defy the odds and reach for the stars.
Before the Innovation Challenge, I thought that being an entrepreneur was impossible as a high schooler. I'd always dreamt about following the footsteps of Irwin Jacobs, the founder of Qualcomm, but I never had an opportunity to do so. But now, Qualcomm, FIRST, and the Innovation Challenge gave me the chance to chase my dreams. I am proud to say that I've created a product that will change the world.
Innovation is about following your dreams. It's about committing 110% of your time and hard work to help change the world.
Innovation is about being brave.
Innovation is about taking chances.
Innovation excites.
Gracious professionalism and cooperation are core tenets of the FIRST Robotics Competition. These two terms were coined by the co-creator of FIRST, Dr. Woody Flowers, who envisioned a world in which competitors treated each other professionally, graciously, and with good sportsmanship, both on and off the field of competition. Let's take a moment to hear some more wisdom from Dr. Flowers.
Many smart people are predicting that future careers and jobs will rapidly and continuously change. In my career, for example, most of the analytical methods used for engineering analysis have dramatically changed. Artificial intelligence is suddenly becoming a very powerful tool. It's even on the verge of becoming a tool designing tool. What happens when big data and AI become potential tool makers? What happens when natural language is applied to solid modeling and stress analysis? You might soon be able to say to your screen, design a bracket to hold this wheel, keep the deflection to less than 1 millimeter as the robot collides with a stiff wall at full speed. That time is near. So what will a STEM-trained person do? What will we offer to society so society will love us? It's not likely to be commonly applied technical analysis. However, uniquely human things like recognizing needs, being creative, acting on empathy, demonstrating leadership, designing beautiful things, those uniquely human characteristics will be even more valuable. So, those who understand the universe and understand themselves and society will be in a very powerful and satisfying position. That's good stuff.
We're now going to move on to the traditionally submitted awards. Our first award in this category is the Volunteer of the Year Award. This award celebrates the dedication and service of truly outstanding volunteers. The phenomenal success of the FIRST Robotics Competition is a reflection of the commitment and enthusiasm displayed by our volunteers. We are truly humbled by the passion and commitment of our volunteers. I'll now turn it over to Dan Glenn, the chairman of the San Diego Regional Planning Committee, to present the Volunteer of the Year Award.
Hi, this is Dan Glenn, chairman of the San Diego Regional Planning Committee. For this year's Volunteer of the Year Award, I would like to recognize a committee member who has pioneered a couple of events that we're very proud of, both at our San Diego and Del Mar regionals. The Women in STEM event and the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion event have both brought an innovative nature to our extracurricular activities at our events. And we really appreciate everything that she's brought to the table and the leadership she's shown in bringing these events to fruition. So for the Volunteer Year Award this year, we would like to recognize Karen Desjardins. Congratulations, Karen, and thank you very much for all your contributions.
Our next award is the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Presenting the award is 2017 Championship Woody Flowers Award winner Glenn Lee from Team 359, Hawaiian Kids.
Woody Flowers stated, "Creative activity is one of the few self-rewarding activities. Being creative is like being in love. The love of FRC robotics has been deep-seated in so many people for so many years. This year, we saw that love and that energy get creative with new competition challenges. Teams this year have adjusted their methods, changed their plans, and reached for different goals as we all adapted to the challenges that the world gave us. The safety net of change has been FIRST mentors. Students have eloquently shared in their heartwarming Woody Flowers essays evidence of how our FIRST Robotics Competition mentors have continued to show their strength, dedication, and unwavering gracious support of our youth. Woody believed societies get the best of what they celebrate. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates our students by providing them a means to formally recognize their mentors with a WFFA nomination. Students have an opportunity to implement gracious professionalism through high-quality work and emphasizing the value of others. Because it is students' choice, it is so meaningful to the mentors. Because the award elevates Woody's tradition of guiding us with clarity and integrity, it is meaningful to the whole FIRST community. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates outstanding communication in the art and science of engineering and design. It was created by Dr. William Murphy in 1996, seeking to recognize one mentor who, in the concisely communicated written words of students, demonstrates the leadership, ethical behavior, and technical communication skills that were exemplified by Woody. At each region and district awards event, one mentor will receive the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Then one mentor will be selected from present finalists and renominated past finalists to receive the 2021 Championship Woody Flowers Award. Here in the Greater San Diego region, you shared high praise for the accomplishments and dedication of your mentors and your teams. Based on your input, we now recognize the contribution of one mentor to the FIRST experience. The nominating students much appreciate this retired engineer's efforts, both technical and personal. They empowered their students to learn project management, safety, and laser machine programming skills during the past year. This mentor has an intimate teaching style, relating her stories of working in industry to the students so they can prepare for life after school. She has an endless joy and passion for working with the students, who appreciate her technical side and her perspective as a woman in engineering. You may see her dancing to YMCA or with Baby Yoda ears, but today we see her as a 2021 Woody Flowers Finalist Award winner of the San Diego region. Congratulations, Christine Lowe from the FRC team 3128, the Aluminum Narwhals. Congratulations.
Our next award honors our first Dean's List finalists. First Dean's List finalists are outstanding, passionate student leaders who demonstrate exemplary effectiveness at attaining FIRST ideals. They were nominated by their teams for their direct contributions and impact on others, exemplifying leadership and commitment on their team and in their community. These First Dean's List finalists are moving on for consideration to be a First Dean's List winner. I want to take this opportunity to personally congratulate all the students who were nominated by their teams for the First Dean's List. This season, the Greater San Diego Region judges were able to select 4 Dean's List finalists. In no particular order, congratulations to our First Dean's List finalists, Ella Godin from Team 3341, Option 16. Congratulations to our second First Dean's List finalist, Rayanne Nasser, also from Team 3341, Option 16. Congratulations to our third First Dean's List finalist, John Chang from Team 2658, E-Motion. And finally, congratulations to our fourth First Dean's List finalist, Edward Sun from Team 3647, the Millennium Falcons. Our final award is the Chairman's Award. The Chairman's Award is the most prestigious award at FIRST. It honors the team that best represents a model for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of FIRST. The Chairman's Award is presented to the team judged to have the most significant measurable impact of its partnerships among its participants and community over a sustained period, not just a single build season. The winner is able to demonstrate progress towards FIRST's mission of transforming our culture. The winning team will compete against all other Chairman's Award winners for the Championship Chairman's Award. This season, the Greater San Diego Region judges were able to select 2 Regional Chairman's Award winning teams. Here's what the judges had to say about our first Chairman's Award winner. Managing a long outreach that stretches in multiple directions, 8 or 10, they successfully inspire others with FIRST goals, providing a template for other teams, and further their own organization's tenacious skills. Leveraging a large team with so many feet from a widely cast web of team members. Congratulations to Team 1622, Team Spider from Poway. Here's what the judges had to say about our second Chairman's Award winner. Teams that struggle to make decisions, even simple ones, would also be challenged to win the Chairman's Award. However, this team has been laser focused on how to build its FRC team, spread its acquired wisdom to others by providing thousands of outreach hours, and igniting a passion for STEAM within their larger community. It took over a dozen team naming ideas before they could internally agree on a winner. Congratulations to Team 3341, Option 16 from San Diego. Congratulations to all the award winners and all the teams who competed in this truly unique season. We want to especially congratulate all the high school seniors that participated this season. We hope that you had a fantastic, albeit unique, season, and we look forward to all the accomplishments that you have moving forward in your educational careers. We encourage you, as well as all FIRST alumni, to join the new California FIRST alumni community at cafirst.org/alumni. To tell us more about this, here is the FIRST California Alumni Committee.
It's more than just robots. It's a community.
For me, FIRST is where I met my closest friends.
It's a starting point for your future career.
Through FIRST, I learned how to solve impossible problems and lead a team.
Being a FIRST alum means being part of a global network of people who change the world.
I work on the manufacturing and assembly of a Hyperloop transportation system that reaches top speeds of 650 miles per hour and has zero direct emissions on our environment.
I founded a web development and marketing agency, and I work for FIRST as a FIRST senior mentor. My job is to support the next generation of innovators.
So wherever you go, you'll always be
a FIRST alumni. Join us.
Connect with your fellow alumni as you begin the next stage of your life.
Build your career.
And get access to exclusive events.
Join us at cafirst.org/alumni.
We'd also like to express our deep gratitude to the many volunteers who helped out this season, especially the judges who worked many long hours, both in our region as well as across the world, to help choose today's winners. Before we go, a few quick reminders about what's coming up next in the first Game Changers season. On May 22nd, be sure to tune in for the Game Design Finalist broadcast on the FIRST Twitch channel. On June 26th, FIRST Headquarters will be hosting the awards ceremony for all of the championship level awards. And on June 30th, please check out the Global Innovation Awards, all of them taking place through our FIRST Twitch channels. This concludes our FIRST Robotics Competition Greater San Diego Awards show. Before we say goodbye, we have one more special guest with a quick shout out. So to take us out, here's FIRST founder, Dean Kamen.
As I do at the end of every season, I'd like to start by thanking the parents, the mentors, the teachers, the sponsors for helping give these kids this opportunity to have the hardest fun they'll ever have. I am aware each year of how much work it takes, how much grit it takes, but you always surpass our expectations. Congratulations to everybody, and let's celebrate the season we just finished, and I'll see you all next year when we make it even more exciting.